not just the machine. In every grain of sand, the dream's unseen.